Ooh, start off sell off. AMC up 50%. Jeesh. Win up a bunch. Royal Caribbean. Signature Bank in New York. Wow. UAL. Las Vegas Sands. KGKG. Hey, what's up, guys? I'll get you in chat over here. Are we in a paradigm shift here? KGKG. MJ up 10%. LPLA. Visa up 8%? Gosh. And of course, Thinkorswim isn't fucking working. This is lovely. Dow was up 5? Well, what the how can I fricking do anything? JD with a big dump this morning. It's like everything just shifted. Okay, I know Pfizer's part of the Dow. Yeah, I did see Peloton dump. Net, not so good. A lot of assets dumping today. Discord slow cool sheet. What if Amazon's having a problem? Morning, Ellie. Trying to rectify. In fact, I can't see anything on here. All right, so we have vaccine news this morning. AMC up a bunch. Yep, UAL. NCLH, Norwegian Cruise Lines up. Everything's up 20, 30%. AMC Theaters up over 50%. Booking.com. Booking.com's up a bunch. Almost right back to pre-COVID levels. Starbucks is up 7%. God. Visa up 9%. Holy crap. So internet stocks are dumping, traditional stocks are rising. What's SNDL? Sundial Growers. Oh, another MJ. Yeah, someone said ACB was up good again today. Yeah, pretty good. Yeah, Constellation Brands up 11% because bars reopening. That's probably why. I'm trying to figure that one out. For some reason, it just clicked right now. Five Below. Brand new highs on Five Below. Sheesh. Nasdaq, yeah, Nasdaq's getting killed. No. How about the S&P? Oh, that's up a bunch. Nasdaq took it on the chin, so they're killing tech and going ES. Because look at the NQ. NQ's already well past this high. NQ's already had a big rally. And if you look at the ES, ES is just now starting to get past that high. So maybe ES has the juice here, which would definitely be a change in behavior for the whole market. Foot Locker's up 12%. I'll go look at my. Oh, are we back now? Can I look at stuff? Oh, I can look at stuff again. Cool. Royal Caribbean. AMC falling over a little bit. Royal Caribbean starting to follow through. Wynn Casinos starting to follow through. They're still fairly beaten down. Signature Bank in New York. I guess it's just a New York thing. LPLA, they like that a lot. Five, they like that a lot. Amazon, I don't know. They're probably going to benefit either way. They're not doing good today, down 4%. Apple likely down also. Oh, they're flat. Apple looks a little better than Amazon. Facebook down a little bit. Google up yet reversing. Interesting. But a big day for a lot of these beaten down names. So Pfizer has a phase 3 vaccine that's been doing pretty good. Peloton down 22, Zoom, Roku, U down 8%. D-Dog, JD. Yeah, it looks like a cool sheet. Looks like they did not get an invitation. AMD, NVIDIA, EXPI, everything flipped. Net a little bit lower after an egregious sell-off on net on Friday. Pretty much took out the whole. It kept the gap, but killed everything else. EXPI, RH. So, yeah, it's complete flipperoo. Absolutely complete flipperoo. I mean, I guess the question is, do we 100% flip with it or just start nibbling? It's definitely an interesting change with the ES leading the NASDAQ. Just trying to see if there's anything. I actually don't follow too many people on Twitter. All right, when UAL come down a little bit, I'm going to see some dichotomy here. AMC, okay, bouncing back up. AMC probably really one of the ones to be most hit, which is why it's up the most probably. Oh, LPLA, big moves right there. So this is based on Pfizer phase 3 trials. So 90% effective in preventing COVID-19 in participants without having prior infections. 94 confirmed cases out of 43,000. Seems like a lot more than 90% if that's the case. Must be something weird in that number. So there's a significant step closer. I'm looking for some kind of time frame because this is good news, but I wonder if it's how long it's going to take to get out there. So phase 3 trials began July 27th, enrolled 43,000 participants, 38,000 of whom had received a second dose of the vaccine as of November 8th. The final analysis now will include, with the approval of the FDA, new secondary endpoints evaluating efficacy based on cases occurring 14 days after the second dose as well. The companies believe that the addition of these secondary endpoints will help align data across all COVID-19 vaccine studies and allow cross-trial learnings and comparisons between these novel vaccine platforms. Based on current projections, we expect to globally produce 50 million vaccines in 2020 and 1.3 billion doses in 2021. Pfizer and BioNTech plan to submit data from the full phase 3 trial for scientific peer review publication. Okay, so they're saying they do expect to produce up to 50 million vaccine doses in 2020 and 1.3 billion doses in 2021. Okay, that's cool. Oh, Tesla reversed and gone higher. Right there. Pfizer down a bunch, at least from the pre-market stuff. Fauci just said 4 minutes ago, Moderna may have similar results as Pfizer vaccine. That's funny. I wonder if that's when the press announcement came out. It was 4 in the morning my time. Yeah, about 3 hours ago. That's what that Pfizer article said. Man, I guess they already had those plans. All right, if we get a vaccine, let's sell some tech. It's kind of funny to see that kind of stuff. That's basically what happened. The second they had the vaccine, not that they fully have it, but you know what I mean. All right, so puts a kink in some plans for sure. We got some rotation happening. Starbucks 7%. Man, they were ready to blast off, I guess. Space up 4%. NIO, man, look how strong NIO is right there. Damn. Wow, that is super strength. That's some super strength right there. How's Net doing? Net's stable down here, not really making any moves yet. Nvidia, TD, what's taking it on the chin? Zoom taking it on the chin. We got Peloton also down a bunch. FLGT, Silver actually. Silver down a bunch on maybe no stimulus. Orange Man curse? What curse? There's no Orange Man curse. Just societal curse. Not really a stock market curse. Although markets do better under Democratic presidents if you actually do research. I always find that to be an interesting fallacy. Market does better under Republican presidents because, taxes. I'm like, what the fuck? You apparently haven't done any research. It's not true. JD bouncing back significantly. AMD stalling a little bit. They're doing pretty good. They came down to the top of the trend line. We'll see how that transpires, but that's interesting shift in the market with ES leading us now. You can argue that obviously tech heavy NASDAQ taking it with Comrade Kamala. Yeah, so with tech selling off because we'll be a little bit less techy if we go back to the normal way of life, whenever that is. Because keep in mind, they're saying Pfizer's saying 50 million cases in the next 2 months. I'm assuming that's upon approval because it's not approved yet. It's just positive phase 3 trials. So if you do see some retracement in a few things, be aware. All right, Tesla looks like it's wow, just got a bunch of volume. Is there some news? Tesla may face delays at Gigafactory Berlin. Okay, and we get a nice pop due to that. Oh, Elon Musk gets involved. That's why. That's funny. All right, Tesla over the trend line right now. Over the trend line. So far, volume is good. So that's a thing. Musk, yeah, of course he's gonna finish it single-handedly. Yeah, it's gonna be Musk and some Oompa Loompas are gonna finish it. That's all you need with Musk. You need the world's best engineers to put together a gigafactory, or Musk and some Oompa Loompas. Either one, either combination would work. Um, he is apparently the world's best engineer. I mean, need Musk Oompa Loompas. Okay, now we got to get, yeah, Musk, and there were some Oompa Loompas in a gigafactory. We can do. I I kind of like it too. I kind of like it too. Although I do feel bad for us enslaving Oompa Loompas. They should have equal rights. Let's just keep it real, okay? I don't know if Musk gives them equal rights, but all right. So, my GLD trade taking a hit on this news. I should probably exit that. That was not part of my plan. Fine. We're so close. I'll give it a little bit of margin. That is hurting my account a little bit today, though. All right. So we got AMC 51 holding. Again, keep in mind these vaccines are months and months away, so we may not be able to sustain these large rallies in a lot of these names. If you guys are thinking about taking positions, LPLA, that rally, for whatever reason, seems to be much, much nicer than a lot of them. How'd KGKG get up here with 11% boost? Back up to Rob's low buy point. Casa, Footlocker, Las Vegas Sands up and out of a range. Myrna, HEI trying to get. Okay, that's not bad for HEI. Look at that, Ellie. HEI is not bad right there. Well, they are getting murdered. I mean, most of them, not all of them, but looks like Zoom got hit. Peloton got hit. Oh, it was flat. Sorry, I didn't give you a chance to respond. Was it Myrna? Where's Myrna? Oh, was it Myrna? Which one was it? Darn it. No, it wasn't. It wasn't like a unicorn trade. It was like a normal long-term turnaround play. Yeah, I think it was HEI. So you got declining trend. Look how sideways it's been here. You got a cup and handle with a long handle. Nice gap up today. So this one's just kind of a fairly normal long-term turnaround. Look at how nice this was right there. I was looking at it. I didn't really harp on it. Um, for some reason, when something breaks out, it's always easier to see the pattern. I have no idea why. It's so weird. But actually, yeah, there is a pretty decent cut. It's not great, but it's pretty decent cup and handle with a really long handle. We'll see what it does. All right, PLTR up up about 7%. New one. Visa up 9% into all-time highs on the open today. I think Rob still got that. That's pretty good. Although I don't know why Visa. I mean, isn't I guess maybe the economy is not doing super hot. Muse up 3.5. Very nice. Yeah, so you kind of have this upward trajectory now that we're under, and Visa's like, we need to be up here, but we're down here, so let's gap it up to here. That's probably what I think that's about. But like I said, you may see some roll off, seeing a little bit here, the roll off there. I'm not sure if techs are going to bounce back, but this puts a little bit of a damper on some things. Constellation Brands right there. So this is a fairly long-term turnaround play. Doesn't quite work because of the coronavirus capitulation move, but above a very very long-term trend line at the moment, going back many years. That could be good for a longer run. GMed, that's pretty flat. It definitely has the corona dip, unfortunately, which kind of messes it up right there. But GMed really flat right here. Tightening up in the past several months. Yeah, maybe we can not do anything for 6-7 months. GMed, that'd be great. Thank you. I wonder what it's this had a pretty good run right there. Not going to be as good as that Amazon trade, 20 to 50, but maybe it gets up to 75. Yeah, look at Micron in a minute. Let me. I guess I'm gonna look at it right now. I got 30 seconds. Micron pop up. It did pop up a little bit. Nice. I don't think I ended up taking that trade. I didn't. I did not. All right, now I already forgot which freaking one it was. GMed, there we go. What, Ellie? What's ridiculous? S&P? S&P's pretty ridiculous. Tesla's still holding on to his gains so far. Well, yeah, I mean, when you think about it, it makes sense. We all knew the next thing. So we knew that we thought the market would drop with COVID. It didn't for the first couple of weeks. Then it finally did, and then it bottomed out, kind of like we thought it would. Luckily, and then the next thing to drop is stimulus, which we got that, and then the thing after that was the vaccine. So, I mean, I guess just we didn't really have a great vaccine plan, but you're seeing today some of the results of that. So, yeah, markets overreacting to the vaccine. Yeah, I think they are too. There's a lot of pent-up institutional demand, I think, for some traditional names. That's what I think's going on. StockShed's not opening. I wonder if the TD Ameritrade thing isn't working. Should put some code in there to say if it's like timing out due to TD Ameritrade or something. I wonder if that's a thing. That should be a thing. GMed. All right, well, I highlighted GMed so we can circle back to it. NIL. NIL's getting good, staying good. This NIL, look at that, man. Rock solid. Solid as a rock. Bam. Oh, okay. Sweet. And yeah, I think it's Ameritrade because it's not doing anything. It's just sitting here clocking. Wonder if I have to get another key or whatnot. NIL looks great up here. It's never given up anything. Earnings coming up 11/17. That's in a week and a day. So getting a little bit it worked for you? Oh, maybe Yeah, I've already refreshed. I am trying to give it some time. I refreshed a minute ago when I started talking about it. All right, so yeah, some down 20%, some up 20%. So definitely some people taking some Zoom off the table. I guess that was always the plan. I don't know. And then Peloton too. These have been two of the higher fly ones. I was looking at Peloton on Friday too. Good thing I didn't jump in on it. Guess you win some, you lose some. Not sure why U's down 6% just because it's a tech name. Should have nothing to do with COVID. Well, cool sheet. Don't get too mad at yourself. Well, I should say when you're done being mad at yourself, because I get mad at myself often, figure out what was the mistake. All right. That's what you have to figure out. Don't be emotional. Don't be I mean, you can be mad. I get mad too, so I'm not trying to tell you not to be mad in the moment, but when you're done being mad and the emotions going away or gone, go back and say, "Okay, why did I sell NIO and what would have made me keep it? Why would I keep it? Why would I have kept it? What were the reasons that I got in it? What were the reasons why I sold it? And then what could have been reasons to keep it?" So, yeah, we've all been there. I mean, we've all done that. I'm basically over it. I mean, if I can double something and do that multiple times over, I don't miss a larger run. I should say I don't mind a larger run because I'm gonna get 100% in something else and 100% in something else and 100% in something else. Like that's happened a lot since the market drop over here in September. I mean, I've doubled 5 or 6 different positions since then. You know, I mean, NIL's gone on to double once from 20 to 40 here, which is a spectacular move. Looks like it's going to go up further. I think I may jump in on it again. Um, but then I was able to get in on a bunch of them, but she just kept going. Yeah. So again, we talked about this in the Power Hour a couple of weeks ago with Bob. We did a phone call with Bob, and we talked about journaling. I think journaling is really important. You should go back and understand why you did your trades, what happened, how you can improve. I mean, always look to be improving. I mean, dude, celebrate the fact you got a double. Don't be mad at the fact you didn't get a triple or 10x because there's going to be another one. You know, there's going to be another one, and it's I guess identifying them early. I mean, I don't really have it down pat to be honest with you. I've just been kind of taking my really high, what I consider highly probable trades, which are still 50-50, and then doubling those, and then I don't take 100% loss, but I double my position, so I end up making a profit, and it's kind of how it goes. And hopefully you can get a huge runner like an NIO or a Tesla or an Amazon, something with some decent quality in it, and then just try to stay with that for longer periods, which is what I'm working on right now. I was doing pretty good with that, and then I kind of got stuck in the shorter term swing trading. Now I want to get back towards the longer term swing trading. All right, AMC down a little bit, it's at 44% instead of 50 whatever 60%. Royal Caribbean down a little bit, Wind down a little bit. Signature Bank of New York holding up really good all morning today. I guess New York's been hit really hard, and that's probably why they've been horrible. So vaccine, they're really really pumping that one. UAL coming back down a little bit. Booking holding strong. Julie is saying probably take 12 months to get a vaccine, probably keep going until the summertime. Well, they said they're going to get 1.3 billion doses in 2021. I don't know if that's all year. I'm not sure. On MJ, you were talking me out of MJ. I mean, I'm going to wait for it to calm down because it's way too elevated right here. I'm just going to wait for it to calm down. It's gonna, that volatility is going to get reduced at some point. But I mean, it's going to take a while. They're going to have to introduce bills. They're going to have to, if they're going to do nationwide legalized marijuana, then they're going to have to, it's going to take a little bit of work. So, yeah, I was thinking about it before the pop. I mean, I really was. I was thinking about doing another one. I mean, we talked about it. You were yelling at me, which is why I didn't. But now that we've already popped, I'm a little bit, I'll willing to be patient with it. Willing to be patient with it. All right, Starbucks is coming back down a little bit. This is one that Ellie was looking at that he liked. Fairly flat, I agree. Not too bad. Not great either, but not too bad. Tesla, 479. Musket and Zoompa Loompas getting to work, ladies and gentlemen. Give us a big green candle. Gonna get Giga Berlin open quicker. That dude is a go-getter, man. I wish I was as much of a go-getter and half as smart as Elon Musk. Aw, fuck you. What? My net trade. Oh, stupid. Just evaporated on me. It's only up 56. I was up like, what, 200% yesterday? Now it's up 56. I botched this one bad. I haven't done that in a while. That doesn't feel very good. Damn it. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Not happy. Not happy with myself on that. Yeah, I know, Julius, but that wasn't part of my plan. I kind of see my plan has been taking profits at 100%, but net was up at like 200%, getting really close. I think for a minute there it was at 200%. Um, and it just cratered the rest of the day. And I'm like, okay, well, I still have it for a while. Um, I could wait a minute and then sell it when it's at 100%. This morning it was at 150%, and now it's at 50%. So I didn't have a chance to sell it. I guess I had a, I guess I did have a chance. Damn it. That's annoying. Well, I guess I'll give it a couple of days. I don't. It's probably not going to go any lower. It's still well. It's still above where I got it at. So, oh well. I got to bail, guys. It's 8:10 almost, and I got a newsletter to do with crypto and stuff and all that jazz. So go Tesla. Tesla's saving my account right now. Yeah, big old flippity flippity on the market. So ES leading us, looks like it, and yeah. How's the ES doing? 3.29. Super nice. All right, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow or later in the Crypto Power Hour.